First celebrated in 1970, Earth Day featured events in more than 190 countries around the world. Here in West Virginia, the DEP had its annual Earth Day celebration at the Clay Center in Charleston. The DEP's Jake Glantz was there and joins us with that story.
Greg, more than 300 grade school students from around the region got a chance for some hands-on lessons in protecting and preserving the environment that we all share.
Do you know what kind of animal she is? Is she a mammal? Like a dog or a cat? No, very good.
Take a turtle.
No, we don't have poisonous frogs here in West Virginia.
Add a frog or two and maybe a salamander for good measure, and you've got a recipe of getting and keeping the attention of some 4th and 5th graders. Along with the Life in the Stream exhibit, this year's Earth Day celebration at the Clay Center featured all sorts of demonstrations, like the DEP's Solar Dollhouse and Solar Racetrack.
You guys know where this racetrack gets its power from? It's a solar racetrack. It gets its power from the sun.
If you press it halfway, it goes about not that fast, but if you press it all the way down, it goes flying.
The DEP's annual Earth Day celebration is a chance for kids to experience the environment in ways that might not be possible in the classroom.
We are so excited to be here. It's really great to be able to get hands-on, especially during Earth Day. It's really hard for us to get these kinds of things organized at a school, so to be able to have people from the DEP teach our kids, it not only gives them the ability to get hands-on with all of the really great things of the environment, it also shows them that you can get a job or a career in the environmental field, and that you get to be able to do really cool things and learn a lot of really cool stuff.
And the students agree.
I like it because it's fun and you get to learn new things. It's really cool. I like it, and I feel like I'm learning a lot of stuff.
Organizers say this is the largest turnout they've seen in recent years, and planning is already underway to make next year's celebration even bigger and better.
The event is organized by the DEP's REAP and Make It Shine programs. For more information, you can visit our website, dep.wv.gov. For Environment Matters, I'm Jake Glantz.
Thanks, Jake. It was a similar message aimed at a slightly older audience at Marshall University. The annual celebration was held on campus in Huntington recently and featured information booths, plant sales, and organized tours of the university's Green Trail, which shows off several Marshall Green projects like rain, butterfly gardens, and the living green roof on the Science and Engineering Complex.
We try really hard to convey the idea that every day should be celebrated like Earth Day. It's a big part of what we do. In fact, one of the things that we have done is we've put together a Green Challenge calendar, which starts the week of Earth Day and runs all the way through our community sustainability fair on May 20th. And it lists a whole bunch of community events that are related around green initiatives and green efforts. The whole community is involved, and that's what makes the difference. When you can get everyone working together to make positive change, it has a lasting impact.
Food waste is one of the biggest single components in municipal solid waste. On average, a family of 4 in the U.S. wastes more than 1,100 pounds of food a year. And once in the landfill, that food waste gradually breaks down to form methane, a powerful greenhouse gas more than 20 times more potent than carbon dioxide. But on the campus of West Virginia University, they're doing something about it. According to a recent audit, since 2012, WVU resident dining centers have reduced the amount of waste generated per meal by 15%. That amounts to 59,000 fewer pounds of waste sent to landfills each year. WVU's dining kitchens have achieved a 26% reduction in compost waste generated during meal prep. A big part of the program's success comes from education, encouraging diners to taste, don't waste, by taking smaller portions and, if necessary, going back for seconds, and finally cleaning their plates. And while Earth Day was officially on April 22nd, there's no reason why, with a few simple changes, we can make Earth Day every day. For example, if you're able to take part in a carpool or use public transportation. Fewer cars on the road means less air pollution, less congestion, and less fuel used. Plant a tree. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and when located properly can shield your house from the summer sun, reducing cooling cost and energy demand. And if you haven't done so already, then replace all those old style incandescent lights with more efficient LEDs. While they are a bit more expensive up front, the prices are coming down. Besides, using a fraction of energy of traditional lighting, they'll last for years, making them easily pay for themselves over the long haul.